Hi, Papa Mike and Penny, and we're going to go find us someplace to eat and give it a review and see how it does.
So we decided what we're gonna eat. Papa, do the honors of telling them.
We are going to eat at the barbecue place, but we're not getting barbecue.
So
It's barbecue and home cooking.
let's go in and see what.
Let's see what they got. Oh, dirt.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
What it looks like. It's pretty chill in here.
I think I'm going to it's roast beef. Hi. I ordered Manhattan. I haven't had a roast beef Manhattan in a long time, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Unsweet tea is the best. It's pretty wild too. Look at that.
Okay, so this is what he got. We already said it. We can like put it on there again. And this is what I got. A little vinaigrette, fried orca, and then those.
Sometimes this bread is on top of this bread. With,
Oh, so it's like a sandwich?
yeah.
Ooh, look at that quality. Can you see? Oh my god.
Is it good?
Yes, take it.
Look at what it is. What are we doing?
Is it good? It's
Really
good.
tender.
Feels hot.
But yeah, this little place in town is about 2 blocks away. It's been here as long as I can remember, and I've never been here. I don't know why.
So we came here today. Okay, but not on that.
I don't have any.
It's a really cute little place.
This is me before a meal,
Me before my meal.
and this is me after.
And this is me after my meal. Guys, we just got done. Papa,
Yes.
how did you like it?
It was very good.
That's-
I was really pleased.
That's good.
Okay.
So we're gonna have 3 top tiers. So the first one is the rating on the food, 1 through 10, and then the staff or / workers, and then the cleanest / environment of the place. So you go first.
Okay. The food, I'll give that a 9.5. Cleanliness, I'd have to say a 10 because I never saw anything out of place or
Yeah.
anything bad.
Yeah, I mean,
The staff, we had a nice waitress. She did real good, real friendly. We talked about different stuff, so I don't know. I never wondered for anything. I give it a 9.9.
yeah. Like a 10. Okay, my turn. So for the staff, say 10. For the cleanliness, 10. And for the food, they honestly didn't have that much options. Do you think they didn't? I mean, they had good things. I will say that. I just don't think that they had that much options personally, or maybe not as much options for kids, you know? But other than that, it was really good. I don't think that's a place that you would take kids, you know? I mean, like multiple, like my brother's. Yeah.
Other menus. They probably had more minds yet.
So, anyway, so for food, I would say 8.5 only because they don't have that much options. 8.5.
Oh, 8.5, okay. Hello.
So that was our little review for barbecue restaurant. There's Kids-A-Lane World.
Yes, it is.
So, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.